Good morning everyone. We are here today to discuss Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio. Fibonacci sequence and golden ratio. The Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on, where each number is the sum of the two preceding numbers. The golden ratio, approximately 1.618, is the ratio of any two adjacent Fibonacci numbers. Here are examples of nature. Pine cones and sunflower. The arrangement of scales of pine cones and seeds on sunflowers follow the Fibonacci sequence, allowing for efficient packing and growth. A pine cone. Pine cones exhibit the Fibonacci sequence and their scale arrangement. Each scale is placed at approximately 137.5 degrees relative to the next, the golden angle. And here are the second examples of nature. Nautilus shells and seashells. The spiral shape of nautilus shells and many other seashells exhibit the golden ratio, providing strength and efficiency. Nautilus shells display the golden ratio in their spiral shape.